Hey Amber, this should be a quick tutorial and show you how to do this. So in Infinite Campus, I'm here. I'm going to go search for my teacher. I'll switch it to from student to course section. Under course section, you want to go ahead and go to advanced search. This is how I search for teachers. You might do it a different way. But then I go to Dogby. I was going to go there first. Select French is the one she's in. I check my sheet to see what section that was. So French one is section one. She has three in that section. So I'll go to section one, and I'll go here to sections tab, sections. Go to grade book, section one. It's right there, her grade book, and there's supposed to be three of them in here. This is where the color coding comes in. Let me go to make sure you're on the current progress. Scroll all the way over so I can see the grades. So these are the colors. These are blue. They're already blue. So I'm just kind of scrolling down, making sure every blue has a grade. If it's red, it's not going to have a grade unless they withdrew or something. There's a lot of different factors for red. That's why I said don't worry about the red right now. So I'm scrolling, looking for anything without a grade. Like right now, I don't see anything. Well, here's one. So let's look at this. Slayton, Shakivia Slayton, no grade right there. Anywhere across, I'd ask the teacher to update that grade. Here's another one, Nathan Perez, update that grade. There's no grade in here at all. So I would make sure and have her go through and make sure everybody in the blue has a grade for her. And for them, I wouldn't say blue, I would say black. I think theirs is black. But there's a two right there. We don't know what the grade is, and we need to figure out what that grade actually is in that class. So that's how you do it. If you got any more questions, let me know. Thanks.